Welcome back. Well, it is Earth Day, and we are joined by a pioneer in the refashioning field. Jane Klaus is here to tell us how sustainability can actually be quite fashionable. Good morning.
Good morning. It's so great to be here, especially on Earth Day. We are talking about the hottest trend in fashion today, and that is sustainability.
It really is.
Yes, it seems like everybody's jumping on the no new clothes movement, and today is a great day to start.
Today is a great day to start. Look at all of these cool things that you've laid out here. Real quick, we're going to get to some models and show y'all some sustainable fashion in practice. But real quick, tell me why it is so important, why this is becoming a trending thing.
Well, you got to think about this, is that when you look at sustainable fashion, you're saving our garments from being thrown out into the landfill. So most of the garments that we have can be saved, rescued, reused, but 85% of them end up in the trash. Do you know that 14 times is the amount of times an average person wears their clothing? And that's it, 14 times. I know I wear my clothing all the time. But also, if it goes into the landfill and it's made out of synthetic fibers, it takes 200 plus years to decompose.
So we're trying to maybe start purchasing more organic materials.
Absolutely.
But also things that do have that synthetic, reuse them as much as possible.
And think about this, it's like fast fashion versus slow fashion. So fast fashion is just moves on the trends of social media. It's really poorly made, it's very cheap, it's really disposable rather than biodegradable. Slow fashion is a movement, and that means that the maker is being mindful of the process and resources that are used when being made of these garments. And by the way, sustainability in fashion, clothes from the thrift store that can be remade into something new is part of that slow fashion movement.
Okay, I love all of that. Tell me, let's take a look at our first model,
yes,
because she looks so cute, and you're saying this is sustainable fashion.
This is sustainable fashion. This is Lauren, and Lauren is wearing, this is a black sweatshirt. I got it at the thrift store. I put rubber bands around it, threw it in a bleach bath. I added a zipper up the back for that fashion forward look, and she is ready to go, super on trend. Lauren is a student in LSU, and she is interested in broadcasting, but she is wearing this amazing outfit that is perfect for her age.
Yes, it looks so cute, and it definitely looks like
this.
something that I would wear in college, but you're right, it doesn't have to be a brand new sweatshirt, it can be a thrifted one, and now it's super unique.
And how fun is that I threw that in a bleach bath, and it turned out this really cool, different variations of pink.
How do you even think of those things? That is so cool.
Well, and I love this too, because you just got to get a little creative. I love this look because anybody can do it. You don't have to be able to sew. You don't have to be able to glue. You just throw it in the bleach bath and you pull it out and you've got a really cool new look.
That is really neat. All right, tell us about our next model.
Our next model is Carly Bell, and Carly is wearing her skirt is a wraparound denim skirt with an embroidery on the front. Now the wraparound skirt out of denim is made from 2 pairs of men's jeans. Those are the legs of the man's jeans. Yeah, so I turned it into a wrap skirt, and then her shirt is a basic black tee from the thrift store, and I added ruffles just to the shoulders to add a new look to it, and that is such a cute outfit. I add a little bit of that embellishment with the embroidery, and I'm telling you, she is ready to go, and that is such a great outfit.
The embroidery really is so pretty, and that's a little hobby that I've kind of gotten into. I've seen people using embroidery to kind of cover holes too, like if something gets a hole in it, you can kind of touch it up, or stains, which my kids love to stain their clothes.
Oh, well, there you go.
Okay, last model.
Our last model. And by the way, this is a mother and 2 daughters. This is our threesome, is a family. This is Lori, and Lori is our rocker mom, and she is wearing a really cool flannel.
I did not see that coming on the back. Look how cool.
She took out the t-shirt, she cut off the front of the t-shirt, put it on the back of the flannel. Now you've got an upcycled flannel that you can wear anywhere. This you could sew it on, you can glue it on using some fabric glue. If you want to pin it on, add a little bit of embellishment on that, it's cool. And her jeans, also, you know how trending in jeans, they're tight legs, they're wide legs,
I know.
or they're ratty at the bottom.
Keep up.
Cut them off at the knee, add some fancy fabric, and you have a whole new look and a new bottom of your denim jeans.
Okay,
how cute is that?
She is so fancy.
I know.
Your dress is sustainable. It was made from a men's shirt. Amazing. Amazing. Yes. Jane, thank you so much for joining us. We hope to have you back because
I hope so. Thank you.
I'm loving all the creativity.
Now go make something, and happy Earth Day.
Happy Earth Day.